Hey, what's up? It's Pure for Life here, and welcome to another exciting product review. This week it's going to be Tower for the Mac, which is a Git front end alternative. So basically, there's the nice versioning system, which is Git, but a nice interface because usually you'd have to do Git through terminal, which you can see in plenty of me doing on my other videos. So let's have a look at Tower. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set up a new repository. So as you can see, I've got some changes here. Let's just go to Manage Repositories for a start. Then it comes to this nice front end display. So I'm going to add a new repository, and it's going to be existing local repository. So get the path, which is sites cake PHP. I'm going to call this cake PHP and click OK. So now we've got this set up. You'll notice that I've got number 3 and this icon here. Double click on here. Basically what the 3 represents is that I've got 3 changes in within basically the app. So the 3 changes are that I deleted HT access files, which I didn't need because I'm using Cherokee with KPHP. So to begin with, let's ignore these files so that basically when I try and pull 2.1, which is the new version of Cake, or 2.2, it won't bug out. Basically, it won't allow me. So I'm going to add ignore and track already tracked files. And I'm also see here it's just pulled up the git ignore file. I'm going to stage this as well, and also sorry, not going to stage this. I'm going to ignore this as well. But this time I'm going to ignore this as well. And also for these two .aht access, I'm going to do something cool called ignore files like this. Basically, what it's going to allow me to do is it will ignore all Git will ignore all files which were .ht access. So as you can see, we can ignore all these. So we commit this. Moving to different branches is very simple. You just double click on each branch, and you'll be able to swap branches just like that, which is pretty cool. Let's say we've got lots of changes that we want to stash. Usually you just type in git stash, but in this case in the app we just click save stash, give it a comment, click OK, and it'll be done, which is pretty cool. You can also fetch, pull and push changes. You can commit, and it allows you to say I wanted to commit everything here. Commit allows me to give it a subject and a description. Commits are shown like this, so you get a picture of the person, and you also get the comment they've said, the commit code tree parents, and the dates. And it's kind of a nice looking interface. You can also have it as like a list. What's also cool is also that you can see what you've changed, what each person's changed. So for instance, this guy changed this, and he added all those lines. So let's just quickly edit a file to show you what it looks like. So let's go to Coda. Let's go to Finder first. Go to Cake PHP, and for instance, let's edit this. So I'm going to go echo test, and I'm also going to delete this line here. Save that. Let's go to Tower now, and we can see that this index.php has been changed, and we can see here that I minused this line here, added the echo test, and I can also discard this change, discard local changes, and then let's change back to what it was before in the previous commit, basically. Let's see what else we can do. So we can browse the file. You can edit everything. You can edit it within the file, for instance. Within the preference file, you can add your GitHub Beanstalk or Bitbucket accounts, which is pretty cool. Wow, my computer just crashed again. To round up this product review, I can say that Tower is a very good app if you're looking to use Git and you don't already know how to use it, and you don't want to use the terminal because the terminal version is complicated if you haven't used terminal before. And Tower just been really helpful, really. I'd use it more than the terminal version now, definitely to look at changes. So go and get a copy from their website, which I'll post a link underneath. You can get a trial, and then if you like it, definitely buy it, because I think it's well worth using. And basically, get your Git on. Wow.